Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donna, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe below and hit that notification bell. So I recently had the chance to shop at the Toronto Premium Outlets, and I got to stop by the MontBlanc boutique, which made me really happy. I always love stopping by that boutique because they do have great deals, and to top it off this time, they had a kind of a tiered discount thing going on most of the items in the store, so the selection was really great. And so basically, the more items you purchase, the higher your discount. And on some items, you could even get as high as 70% off the retail price, which is fantastic. What's so great about MontBlanc is because their designs are really kind of classic and timeless. Even though you do purchase them at an outlet, which means they're probably from 1 or 2 seasons ago, you can't really tell because, like I said, they're timeless. But what's great is also some of the items I will be showing you today are still available on their website at retail price if any of you are interested. So for today's video, I'm obviously going to be unboxing whatever I purchased at the MontBlanc boutique. I will also post the retail price, so the price you can purchase it at the MontBlanc boutique or on the website. And I will put the outlet price as well. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first item I'm going to show you is the Pix Rollerball Pen. And for those of you who don't know, MontBlanc is a German company that was founded in 1906, and they started off by making writing instruments, so basically pens and other writing implements. And later on, they expanded to produce other luxury goods such as leather goods, watches, perfumes, you name it. So the pen comes in a little bag like so. And also in a box. So this is called the Pix Rollerball Pen. Pix is just the name of the collection of pens. And as you can see, it comes with a cap, so it's not like a click pen. You basically open it and close it. The hardware is silver. I don't really know if you can use hardware when you're describing a pen, but you get what I mean. The metal is in silver. The little metal piece around does say MontBlanc. I'm going to try to show that to you. Also, there's a little metal piece that you attach to a pocket. Sorry, I really don't know the vocabulary when describing pens. And the bottom and tip of the cap, they have a MontBlanc logo. So it's basically a picture of a snow cap with 6 like rounded points. It's basically the MontBlanc snow cap, but seen from above. That's what it's supposed to represent. The color of the pen is called petrol blue. The ink is also that color. And guys, I tried it at the boutique. Because it's rollerball, it does write so smoothly and it's very easy to write with. So this can make a great Christmas gift, birthday gift for anyone who works regularly with a pen, such as like a notary or I guess a doctor or whatever else you can think of that uses pens in their job. Once the ink in the pen does run out, you can purchase the refills either at the outlet boutique if you have access to one, online, or in regular MontBlanc boutique. And you can choose the color of ink you'd like, so you don't necessarily have to stick with petrol blue every time you purchase ink. You can change from red, blue, green, you name it. So this pen is still produced by the company. You can purchase it online. However, this exact color, so the petrol blue, is discontinued. But like I said, they have a variety of other colors you can choose from. And the retail price for this pen, so the price on the website, is $335 plus tax. I purchased it at the outlet for $250. So I basically got around 25% off, which is great. And this pen, you can also, they do have the option to personalize it. However, at the outlet boutique, they don't do personalization. You really have to bring it to the MontBlanc boutique to get it personalized. There might be a fee for that. I'm not 100% sure, so really don't quote me on that. So the next item I purchased is the sartorial business card holder. It's probably my favorite piece from MontBlanc. It's what really made me discover the brand. And although it's called a business card holder, I basically use it to hold all my cards. So all the cards, my credit cards, my driver's license, whatever I would usually carry in my wallet, I put in my card holder. And as you can see, it's so practical and durable. This is the one I already had. It fits so much, and basically it's all leather. It's made in Italy, so basically MontBlanc, they make their items in one of 3 countries. If it's a leather good, it's made in Italy. If it's a pen or writing implement, Germany. And if it's a watch, it's made in Switzerland. So this is basically one I already had. It's quite a number of years. I've been using it for about 3 to 4 years. And as you can see, I use it every day. it's in very good condition. So I decided to get the second one. And this one I got in sartorial. And basically, from what I understand, correct me if I'm wrong, sartorial can be compared to Prada Saffiano leather. So basically, it's real leather, it's full leather, but the leather is treated with like a kind of stamping machine and it's finished with a wax finish. And what it does, it creates this like canvasy, grained leather effect. I don't know if you can see it in the camera. And what that does is it makes the leather really resistant. So basically it is water resistant, stain resistant, scratch resistant. It's easy to clean and it holds a lot. So as you can see, it has 2 pockets, 2 slots for your cards. It has 1 slot here at the side. It has 2 pockets for more cards. And it also has a back pocket. What I love, it's really so simple. All you have is the little MontBlanc logo at the bottom. You can also get this one personalized, but once again, it's the MontBlanc boutique, not the outlet that does the personalization. And this, I have good news, this card holder is still available, the exact same card holder on the website. So this card holder retails for $295. I purchased it for $128, so I got around 50% off, which is great for something I will be using for years and years to come. Item number 3 is what they call a reversible brown black cut to size belt. Now this one is obviously not for me. I'm gonna open it to show you. It's a gift for someone else. So it comes in a box like this. Look how cute. It also comes in a little dust bag. And it's basically a belt. And it is called reversible because you can wear it both on the black side and on the brown side. So it's very practical. They also, I just want to show you, it also comes with 2 loops. So a brown one, oh, that's the black one, a black one and a brown one. So depending on what color you do decide to wear it on, you can use the appropriate loop for that belt. And these honestly make great gifts, whether it's Christmas, birthday, or anniversary, you name it, because they're reversible, so they're very versatile. The person can get a lot of use. And as well, it's cut to size, so it's basically like 1 size, and you bring it to the boutique for the cutting. The outlet does do the cutting for you. If not, you can walk into any MontBlanc boutique with the belt, obviously, and the receipt, and they'll be more than happy to cut it and adjust it for you. So I'll give you a close look at the buckle. It's basically just a rounded buckle, and the little piece over here that you slide your belt into, it does say MontBlanc. And they do have the MontBlanc little snow caps at each of the sides of the belt. Now, this exact belt is not available anymore on the website. They do have a whole bunch of other reversible brown, black belts, cut to size. Just the only thing is the buckle does change, but that's fine. These reversible cut to size belts do range retail price between $350 to $400. I purchased this outlet price for $168, which is amazing. By the way, all the prices I do mention in this video are in Canadian dollars. I just felt it would be more appropriate and easier to use Canadian dollars since I did purchase the items at the Toronto outlet in Canada. And the last item I purchased, I loved it so much, I got 2. Now, one of them will eventually be a gift for someone else. I just haven't decided what color I'm keeping for myself. So let me just show you what I got before I continue talking. So I purchased 2 full leather, soft grade travel bags. It's basically like a toiletry bag. So this one is in brown, but it's such a chocolate brown, it almost looks black. And as you can see, it does say MontBlanc with a little logo, but it's so subtle you can hardly tell. I'm going to show you the black one now. And this is the black one. So they're exactly the same size, exactly the same shape. It's honestly just the color that changes. So both of them are full leather. What's great is that even though the outside is full leather, the inside is kind of lined in like a nylon fabric material. So it won't get stained. It's very easy to wash. So it's basically the inside, I still have the tissue paper in it, but the inside is basically just a big black hole. There are no pockets or anything. It does seem to fit a ton. It's very spacious and it's practical for someone who kind of goes out of town often, which is my case. So I can pack all my stuff, my toothbrush, deodorant, all my toiletry supplies in this bag, and just kind of when I pack to go out of town, just pick it up, put it in my bag and leave. Very practical. I feel like I'm gonna use it for a long time. Forgot to mention, it does have a little handle at the side, so it makes it easier to carry. So both of them have that little handle. Unfortunately, these exact styles are no longer available on the website. They do have other options. That's always an option if you're interested. And however, I did find one website, an Italian website. It kind of seems like a far-fetched kind of site that does still sell the pouch, so I can link it down below if you'd like. And these usually retail for $600 to $700. I purchased them for $200 each at the outlet store. So all in all, I am very happy with my purchases. I love the MontBlanc brand. I just feel that sometimes it is a little underrated. I don't see how it's not more popular. I find their designs great, so chic and timeless. And it's such good quality. They're so practical. But hey, who am I to judge? I hope I opened your eyes to a brand that you maybe overlooked in the past. I also hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave all your comments, questions below. I'll be sure to answer them, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys!